Are you looking for the best reusable shopping bags in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best reusable shopping bags. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Clever Made Canvas Tote. My mom is a bit granola, so I was using reusable grocery bags long before they were required in our home state of California. We didn't exactly have a storage system for the bags, and they'd often be shoved in seat pockets or thrown into the trunk of our car. Thankfully, reusable bags have come a long way since then. This collapsible canvas pops up when you need to haul groceries, and folds down flat for easy storage. The zippered interior pocket also makes sure that your keys or wallet don't get lost amongst your produce and deli items. Moving on at number 4, we have the Nook Theory Better Days Insulated Reusable Bag. The Nook Theory Better Days bag is insulated with thermal foam to keep food and beverages cool. That's right, no more melted ice cream on the drive home from the grocery store. If something does spill, the insulation makes the bag leak-proof, so you don't have to worry about staining the car or house. The capacity is significantly larger than that of a plastic bag from the grocery store, and there are side pockets to hold a water bottle or protect squishable food items. Surprisingly, the brand suggests a max carrying capacity of 30 pounds, which is less than many bags made from lighter materials. At number 3, we have the Nook Theory Reusable Grocery Bags. There are days when you just need a little bag for a few cans of beans or a bunch of spinach, and there are days when you need a few grocery tote bags so you can buy enough ingredients to make a 4-course meal for a dozen friends. In the latter scenario, you should reach for this very capacious bag that can fit a week's worth of groceries. This bag has lots of deep interior pockets for holding wine bottles or tall bunches of chard upright, and the exterior pockets are great for keeping your phone or grocery list accessible. I also like that the thick straps are comfortable for both hand carrying and slinging the bag over your shoulder. At number 2, we have the Veno Bag Insulated Grocery Bag. For days when you're hopping from the grocery store to the library to the post office, it's important for your perishables to remain cool and fresh. The Veno bag ensures just that with its aluminum-covered thermal insulation, ideal for avoiding unnecessary pit stops home before heading out for other errands. A novelty feature of this tote is its recyclable fabric sides, which allow for simple storage of irregularly shaped items. Though the box style may make it inconvenient for carrying, the added bonus of temperature regulation doesn't make it a deal-breaker. Finally, at number 1, we have the BagPodz Reusable Bag and Storage System. The BagPodz Reusable Bag and Storage System comes in a set of 5 or 10 sustainable, machine-washable nylon shopping bags. They're ideal for transporting groceries and are especially unique for their compact pouch that holds the bags when you aren't using them. Aside from their smart storage, there's a clip on one end of the pouch that attaches to a shopping cart so you don't have to juggle bags in the middle of the produce aisle. Each bag holds up to 50 pounds yet can easily be stored in your purse or glove compartment. BagPodz's material is water-resistant, too, so you won't have to worry about leaks in the event of a spill. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.